In the early 1930s, a remarkable chapter in British automotive history unfolded in Govan, Glasgow, where Holland Coachcraft established itself as a pioneer in streamlined vehicle design. The company's distinctive Art Deco-styled vans represented the pinnacle of Jazz-age sophistication and innovation in commercial vehicle manufacturing. The company built their revolutionary vehicles on Albion Type BL119 chassis, sourced from the renowned Albion motors in Glasgow. These streamlined vans weren't just aesthetically pleasing, they represented a perfect fusion of form and function. Their ultra-modern lines captured the zeitgeist of the Art Deco movement while maintaining practical utility for commercial operations. Holland Coachcraft Vans gained significant popularity among prestigious commercial clients. Notable among these was Collars of Wembley, which operated a fleet of nearly 100 vehicles, including 20 streamlined vans by the mid-1930s. These vehicles were so futuristic in appearance that they were featured in the film The Tunnel to represent vehicles of the future set in 1940. The vans served various industries, with laundry services being a primary client base. Universal Laundry in Rochdale and Castlebank Laundry in Anniesland, Glasgow, operated fleets of these vehicles. Castlebank's distinctive yellow vans, bearing the slogan, "Mother, here comes the Castlebank man," became a familiar sight in Glasgow's West End. The maintenance and operation of these vehicles were remarkably sophisticated for their time. Drivers followed strict maintenance schedules, including weekly inspections of tires, brakes, batteries, and general cleaning. Every 4 weeks, more detailed maintenance was performed, including spark plug cleaning and electrical system checks. The average annual mileage for delivery vans ranged from 10,000 to 12,000 miles. Holland Coachcraft's influence extended beyond commercial success. Their designs were so iconic that Dinky Toys commissioned miniature versions of their vehicles, cementing their place in British cultural history. The company relocated to Gateshead around 1936 to 1937, but unfortunately ceased operations in 1940 with the onset of World War II. Sadly, no known original Holland Coachcraft vans exist in major vintage vehicle collections today. Their legacy lives on primarily through photographs, documentation, and the dinky toy models that captured their distinctive design. These vehicles represent a unique intersection of Art Deco aesthetics and industrial functionality, marking a golden age in British automotive design and manufacturing. The story of Holland Coachcraft demonstrates how innovative design and practical functionality could combine to create vehicles that were both commercially successful and aesthetically revolutionary. Their streamlined vans remain a testament to the artistic and engineering ambitions of the 1930s, when even utilitarian delivery vehicles could embody the glamour and sophistication of the Art Deco era.